Hello folks, how are you doing? This is Ryan Schofield. The question is, what would you do here? We're looking at two charts, the 1 and the 2 minute of the YM, the Dow Jones Futures Market. We can see it's definitely making a downtrend, making low lows, lower highs. Is this a place to be a buyer or a place to be a seller? It's always good to list out potential reasons for both cases, and that helps you to position yourself correctly. Also, it helps you avoid making a mistake of always looking for confirmation of your view. So what would you do right here in this potential trade? How about here? This is the NQ, the futures of the NASDAQ futures. You can see it's definitely in an uptrend, making high highs, high lows. We've got some big candlesticks up into 2300, big numbers, some pivots there. What would you do? Would you be a seller here or would you be a buyer? How about here? Again, on the YM, big candlesticks extended from the moving averages down into some pivots. Would you buy this or would you sell this? Okay, so those are good questions. Now, for those of you that have done the Trade with Precision Index Futures course, you will know exactly what to do here. You would know that this is a good opportunity to buy. You may not, if you haven't, you may not realize that this is a good opportunity. You may want to know exactly why this is a good opportunity. Well, I'll share this with you. Before we get into that, I would like to say that the TWP ethos, we like to stack as many possible layers of leading indicators as we can on top of each other before we take a trade. Okay, much like a filter. So we're always looking for precise entry, precise stop, and a precise target. And that's what a trading strategy is. We're looking for an edge in the market. Now, we take all this technical analysis, the ingredients out there, and we put them through the filter, and that gives us a good set of combinations that we'll use to trade. Okay, that's how we look to set up our trading plans for the index futures markets. Let me share with you some 6 leading indicators that we use. Now, these signal trades that are yet to happen, so hey, they are very powerful. They can help us make money. So let's look at them. Moving averages. How is price in relationship with its moving averages? Is it extended or is it in the equilibrium zone? So the candle size, large candles, is the move over? Is it the Muppet Show now? Or have we got small indecisive candles? Divergence. How strong is the trend that you're looking to trade currently? The NYSE tick. Overheated market. How many participants are in the market? Which way they're going? Pivot points. Fantastic. These give a precise entry point, and these levels are calculated from yesterday, so therefore they're on your chart before the market opens. Also gaps. These are very high reward, potential high reward to risk type trading strategies when using gaps. Let's look at a couple of these in detail. So do you know how to use the NYSE gap? The NYSE tick. Well, if you have TradeStation, just plug in $TRCK into your symbol lookup, and a chart like this will pop up. Now, this helps to measure bullish extremes in the market. We're looking for reversals here, folks. It helps to signal there are too many buyers or there are too many sellers. The market cannot sustain that pressure. We're looking for a reversal. This is an extremely powerful indicator to use in your trading if used correctly. How about pivots? Now, these were created in the S&P pit. Fantastic, because they give us these future areas for support and resistance, plus precise places to put your entry, your stop, and also to take profits. The market gap. In the last 5 years on the YM, approximately 72% of all gaps, so we're talking about 1,300 occurrences here, have closed. So this is an extremely powerful and extremely useful leading indicator that we can incorporate in our trading plans today to give us some kind of momentum on which way the trading day is potentially going to go. Now, we're not talking about using traditional indicators that give you lagging signals to buy and sell the market. We're looking at things that are saying, hey, buy the market now. We're looking at there is a potential trade setting up. That's what we need. So if you'd like to know what I would do here, and you live in London, why not come on down to the London Traders Expo? It's been held from the 8th to the 9th of April at the Queen Elizabeth II Conference Centre. I'm presenting Mastering the Intraday Index Futures Trading at 9:30 on Saturday at the CME room. Okay, that's a Chicago Mercantile Room at the London Traders Expo. Bring your pens, bring your pads, come on down. You can take notes, you can take all the rules of the strategy away with you and start trading it as soon as the markets open on Monday next week. Okay? We don't hold anything back, give you all the rules. I'll show you some live trade examples, the outcomes. You can then take it away and start using this in your trading plan as soon as you can. Okay, folks, come on down, say hello. It'll be good to meet you all, and also for the rest of the week, have a good trading week.